Hi, welcome back again. I just wanted to put a quick video out to explain where I'm up to with the channel. For those who follow me regularly, and thank you for that, you'll notice the schedule's gone a little bit out of the window of late. Last video we produced on Tuesday was the final for the Lee and the Incra system. If you've not seen it, check it out now. And I skipped the Friday video, and now this being Friday, it's a different type of video. Again, a few weeks ago we did the vlog where I was talking about taking the channel in a different direction, and I was going down more of an educational channel and moving it to the concept of inspire, educate and support you in your journey to becoming a better woodworker, and that is still the intent. But I'm just giving that a little bit more thinking time than I spoke about on the vlog. One of our subscribers got in touch and said, hey, I love the idea of the educational channel. It's really cool. You need to try and keep your videos down to about the 10-minute mark. Initially, I was a bit dismissive, and I apologize for that, of course. Now, the reason I was dismissive is I tried in the early days of the channel to stick down to a sort of 10-minute horizon, and I couldn't fit inside 10 minutes the sort of things I wanted to talk about. And one of the things I think that works well for the channel and is a uniqueness of what we do here at the Woodgrafter is the detail that we go into. I never wanted it to be an entertainment channel. I wanted to explain thoroughly what I was doing it, the thought process behind it, so you can go through a similar journey. And my view in life has always been, if you can understand it, you can probably apply it. That's why I go into the details that I do. And I did a survey some time ago asking you how you watch my videos, and quite a large majority of you log in, you watch it for a bit, and then you'll watch it a bit more, and then watch a bit more. So you don't tend to watch it in a single sitting. You dip in and out of the video as your time allows. There's a good chance here what's going to happen to my channel is, as I continue down this educational route, trying to put the quantity and the quality of content into my videos, the videos stay around the 30 mark. And what I want you to do is to use it as a reference source, to dip in and to dip out, to dip in and to dip out, so you can sort of build your skills over time. But doing that, my channel is going to bomb. And at some point, the channel's got to be self-sufficient. So it gives me a bit of a problem that just caused me to stop and pause and say, hey, let's have a think about what I'm going to do here. So I've got an idea. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to start to produce on a regular basis 10-minute videos. So rather than just coming out on a Tuesday and a Friday, with Tuesday being tips, techniques, reviews, Friday being the project video, probably coming out every 2 days. So Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, and so on. So every 2 days, I'll look to put a video out there into the ether, and that video will be 10 minutes in duration. So that 10 minutes will then be a step on the project build. So before I jump in and spend lots of time, hours and money on the educational side, I just want to play around a little bit to see if I can get a good balance of time and quality and content coming together to give us what we need, and for the algorithm to not penalize me for lack of engagement and push the videos out there. So that's why I'm taking a little bit of a pause as I think through these things. So just to play a little bit, I'm going to come out with a very simple project, which would be the flower container for Mrs. Woodgrafter, the Versailles style flower container. But I'm just designing that, but I'm designing it in a different way than I would normally. I'm designing it from what's the first step I take to construction, the second step, the third step, the fourth step, and so on. And each step will then be a video. So as a playlist, you get the end-to-end stuff you need, but it's now more bite-sized chunks, 10-minute intervals, that allows you to take a step on that journey. And the idea of putting that out in faster duration is so you don't lose interest in the project build. If I put 10 minutes out every week, it would be 2 months to build a flower pot. So that doesn't make sense either. And that obviously impacts the way I record the videos, the way I edit the videos, the way I storyboard the videos, the way I design a project. So there's a lot of new thinking to be done. So I just wanted to put this out there so you know I've not gone away. Stick with me. I think it will be there in the end, and hopefully I'll get that flower pot series out next week, and we'll see how that resonates. Let me know what you think, as always, in the comments. Feedback is always welcome. What are your ideas? How would you approach this problem? What would you like to see, given the fact the decision's made, we're going down the educational route. See you soon.